Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Messenger group chat on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, and it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down here and you click here on apps, then it's going to take you to apps window, and all you have to do here, you just go down here to looking for Messenger app, then you click here on Messenger, and it's going to take you to next window, then you just click here on for stop, and you click here on OK, and you just go down here, you click here on storage, then it's going to take you to storage window, just click here on clear cache, and you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem on your Messenger app. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish you are getting it now. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.